classroom as BC will be reopening schools in June. Cookland School District teachers were required to come back the third week of May, so I'm back into my classroom without any students. Today I'll be making the pretzel buns. You guys remember how I made the pretzels? This time I'll be making into a bun and I will let the dough proof about 2 hours. So in a large bowl, I'll be putting brown sugar. So you will need half cup of brown sugar. Make sure you compact. Always remember to level it off. And half a cup of butter. I pre-melted it in a microwave. And I'll be putting quick yeast. 2 tablespoons of quick yeast, so it's 50 ml, so total of 30 ml is going in there. And I'll be putting warm water. So this is a warm tap water. Make sure you touch it, and if it's lukewarm, that's fine. If it's too hot, the yeast will be killed, or if it's too cold, the yeast will not activate. Also, always put your liquid measure on a flat surface and measure at eye level. So it's 1.5. So I will leave this yeast mixture about 5 minutes here. So the yeast will be softened. I'll be sifting flour. We need 5 cups of flour. And you will incorporate this dry and wet ingredients together. And once it comes together, you will use your hand to knead the dough. So if you have a stand mixer at home, you can use the hook to knead the dough. Here at our school we don't have it, so I'm gonna use my arm muscle to knead the dough about 3 to 5 minutes. Flour the counter. Also, this is a really good time to preheat your oven to the lowest setting. So my oven at school, it goes down to 170 Fahrenheit. So I turned the oven on to 170. So it's preheating it now. Get there? Guys, remember how to knead the dough? Push it away from you and then fold it and push it away from you. And rotate. Fold towards you, push it away, and rotate, fold it towards you, and push it away. Do this for about 3 minutes. Okay? So I've been kneading this for over 3 minutes, almost 4 minutes. So what I will do, I'll put this one gigantic dough into my mixing bowl. And I'll place this one inside of my oven, warm temperature, because it's only set up for 170 degrees Fahrenheit. And I will leave it there for about an hour or until this dough doubles up in volume. Okay, so the dough has more than double. So I left this in the oven at 170 degrees Fahrenheit for more than an hour. So now what I will do, I will put this into the flour surface. Into 8 pretzel buns. And after you take this dough from the oven, preheat the oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, so that will be the perfect temperature for baking this dough. Make it into one circle. I try to bring the edges into the circle. So the seams go into the inside, and you see a pretty rounded. So you don't even have to punch the dough, you can just leave it as it is. So I'll make 8 of this and put it onto this. pouring into the baking soda water for about more than 30 seconds. What you can do, you can use a knife to make a crust on top. Bun is smaller than mine. Mine is about bigger than my fist size. So if it's smaller than, you can probably cook it for about 20 minutes. Okay, so now I'm gonna sprinkle with Himalayan salt. Now when the oven is ready, I'll put this into the oven. Okay, so the pretzel buns has been in the oven for about 27 minutes and I took it out. What you can do, you can put a fork or anything that is sharp inside of the bread, and if nothing comes out, then it's done. You see the crust for pretzel buns. Enjoy!